I'm going to guide you through how you can add signature into your Google Docs document. I will show you two ways. The first one is free way, and the second one is that you need to have a Google Docs Premium in order to do that. All right, so this is how I did my signature. You can see also I added this underline underneath that. So this is actually the free method. So I'm going to show you how you can do this one, and then we'll move to the second one. So I'm going to quickly remove this. Okay, so now we have this removed. If you want to use this underline like me, I'm gonna leave this on use. If you want, you can. If you don't have to use this. The first way how you can do this is if you click on insert, you can add this horizontal line, but this is not the best. I'm not going to use this because you can't customize this, you can't resize this, you can't move much with this. So I'm gonna remove this, and instead I will create table one by one. Table one by one. And here, once you have this box, we can basically resize this however we want. So once you have this box, if you want, you can move it like this, but this is not best option. I'm gonna just type here and I'm gonna press backspace on my keyboard to move it like this. And now we can drag this to the side. So let's say we want to do underline like this. So this top line is going to be our underline, and now we are just going to change those three other lines into white color, so it's going to be like invisible. Okay, so now once we have this underline, we can move to actually signing. So go again to insert, and we want to use drawing, and we are going to draw our sign using this line option. So we just want to select this line, and we want to use Scribble one. And now we just want to draw your signature. So let's try something. So this is just an example, and we can change the color of it. We can do the red color. You can change the thickness of the line if you want. You can change line type. And once you are happy, you can click on save and close. And this is going to add this signature on your document. I'm gonna resize it by dragging the corners because this is really big. Now, if you want to move this freely on your page, you have to use wrap text, then fix position on page. And then we can move this however we want. So I'm gonna just move it over on this line. We can make it a little bit smaller. And this is it. I can also make shorter this line. I can move it a little bit more. And now it's like perfectly. So this is how you can do a signature for free on Google Docs. There is also another way, but you need to have Docs Premium. So I'm gonna show you that as well. So if you go to insert, you have signature fields option. So if you click on this, it's going to show you this menu on the right side, and you can choose this signature. And this is going to create this box, which you can again move how you want. So let's say I can move it over here. And now once you have this, we can click on a request signature. Here you're gonna type email of the person from who you want to sign like this document. I can type email of my second account. You can type a message. You can change this language. And if I click on a request signature, it's going to create this signature. And now the person to who you are sending this needs to open email, and you will receive something like this, that there is this request for the signing. So I'm gonna choose sign, this blue button, and this will redirect me to this PDF folder. And here you can see this button to sign. I have this actually in my native language, so you can understand, but there is sign. So I'm gonna click on it. And here you can type your name. And if you want, you can choose automatically generated sign like this, or you can again draw your own. So I can type check mark like this. And then you can accept and sign, and you can see you have this sign on your document. So this is another way how you can sign documents on Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.